What are the best backlinks? Backlinks Explained Part 1. Hi guys, I'm Nat Ryan from Internet Marketing DIY. Basically, there are two kinds of backlinks, no follows and do follows. On the surface, both kinds look the same. They have a link back to your website that people can click on. So from a strictly human perspective, they look, feel, and respond the same way. The difference lies in how they behave when a search engine bot crawls a site and the content. Now, there are two things that can happen at that point. One, the bot can just crawl right over the link and keep on reading the site it's currently on. That happens with the no-follow backlink. Or two, the bot can stop reading and follow the link to the site it leads to. This happens with the do-follow backlink. In essence, the no-follow says to the search engine bots that the other site is good, but not good enough to interrupt their current crawling of the website they're on. But a do-follow encourages the search engine bots to stop reading the current site, follow the link to the other website, and read its content instead. So which kind of backlink do you suppose is more powerful for you as a website owner? That's right, the do-follow backlink. Follow tells the bots that your website is so important that it needs to follow the backlink right away to read your content. That's powerful stuff because it gives your website a big thumbs up. So for a more effective backlinking strategy, you want to make sure that most of your backlinks are the do-follow kind. Now, having some no-follow backlinks is okay though. They make your backlinking look less strategic and more natural to the search engines. So you see the search engines don't love backlinking that looks too good to be true, right? So having a few no-follow backlinks is okay. Just make sure that most of your backlinks are the do-follow kind. Now, unfortunately, most backlinks are no-follows, which means that you're going to have to work a little harder to find do-follow backlinks. It sucks for you as a website owner, but think about it. Most other websites would rather have the Google bots stay on their own site rather than having them hair off to yours. There's a no-cost way to check the backlinks on any website to see if there are no-follows or do-follows. I don't know what web browser you're currently using, but I highly recommend that you add Google Chrome. Google Chrome has a lot of cool free extensions that you can get, including the no-follow, which allows you to see when a link is of the no-follow variety. So even if you're reluctant to add Google Chrome, it's a good idea, even if you're only using it to check on backlinks. Okay, so here's how to get the no-follow extension for Google Chrome and how to use it. So in Google search, type in Google Chrome extensions, and when you do, you should find the Chrome Web Store near the top of the page. Click on that. And when you do, you'll find the Chrome Store here, and then you'll find the Search the Store field, and what you want to do in there is type in no follow, all one word, and click enter. When you do, you'll see this blue box with the white lettering that says no follow. That's the one you want. So click on the Add to Chrome button, and when you do it, it asks you if you want to add no Chrome, and you click on the box that says Add Extension. And once you've done that, it'll tell you that no-follow has been added to Chrome, and it has this little icon, and you can see it at the top of your browser window here. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks like a little link. Okay, let's go see what that looks like here. So here's a website that I found quite a while ago. It's the top 100 gardening blogs and websites for gardeners. Now, if we scroll down a little bit, if you see this dotted red line boxing in the URL here, that means that this link is a no-follow backlink. Okay, if we continue to scroll down, you can see that all of the links to these websites and blogs are no follows. Okay, if any of these links didn't have that red dotted line boxing it in, then it would be a do follow backlink instead. But unfortunately for these website owners, all of these links are the no follow variety. So for these blogs and websites, they're getting no value, real value out of having a backlink on this site. As you can see, guys, this is a super easy way to find out whether the backlinks on any website are the all too common no follows or the rare, more prized do follows. Speaking of do follow backlinks, in my next video, I'm going to show you the best source for good quality do follow backlinks. Stay tuned for that. Better still, guys, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. While you're at it, if you like this video, hit the like button below, and if you'd like me to cover something specific, please leave me a comment. Bye for now, guys. Thanks for watching.